Hey people, real quick. So we had a snowstorm and most of the neighborhood doesn't have electricity. In fact, none of the neighborhood has electricity. So you can't cook. It's freezing outside. We had to shovel the driveway. At any rate, don't panic, because if you're resourceful or you have a resourceful family, they'll tell you what to do. So I have 2 grills, but I decided to go old school. So get yourself some charcoal. We use firewood though. We have tons of firewood. Get you a pan. We had cocoa, hot cocoa in this pot over here. Now we're making tea, and now we're gonna we got like 2 dozen eggs in there, and we're gonna cook those up because it could be a few hours or tomorrow when they restore the power. So we're gonna have eggs, which you can eat eggs cold, and you can get yourself some bread, some pretzels, or cold cuts. But you gotta think like you have to kind of make do with what you got. So if you are ever without power in the snowstorm, and you know your refrigerator's not working and you can't cook, you don't have a generator. I do have a generator, by the way, but if you don't have a generator, guess what you can do? You can cook you a bunch of eggs, or maybe cold cuts, or basically heat up a meal on the outside, feed the family, feed the kids, put everybody to bed. And you know what? Lord willing, the next day you have electricity. If not, you know what? You still know what to do. I mean, what did they do before electricity? So just stay positive. So now we're putting something in this pot of water that's going to be the tea. I don't know what it is. Somebody help me explain this.
This is a ginger tea with all the spice.
Ginger tea with allspice.
This is really anti-inflammatory tea. It's good when you are coming out for the cold or in a weather like this. There is no electricity. You want to keep your immune system. You put ginger. I love ginger, so I just put the whole thing. You put ginger, cinnamon, basil.
Okay.
And put it to boil.
Put it to boil.
And then when it's done, ready to drink it. As you can see, I'm putting it all with the skin.
And cooking with wood, not cooking with charcoal. I mean, we're going old school.
And then when you're about to drink it, you take the lemon or lime, whatever you have. Wash it really good, and you just grate it, and you drink it with honey or sugar, whatever you have.
Yeah, that ginger smells good.
And it's good for your chest, especially if you have little ones. You can use basil, or you can put mint.
Let those bad boys cook. And say just turn that over like that. Look at that, y'all. Just turn those eggs over.
We don't like running eggs, so I like burning eggs.
Them running. She likes hers kind of done. But definitely, that's dinner. That's dinner, and that's probably breakfast tomorrow.
And I just cooked some meat in here too.
And we just cooked some meat. So you know what? Make a day out of it. Enjoy it. Don't stress out. We're gonna do it like this. Look at all the spices.
Life is simple.
The different things. That's tea. It's gonna be very rich, very hearty tea. It's gonna make you feel a lot better. Your sniffles will go away and everything. But just enjoy yourself.
All right.
Thanks for watching, y'all.